Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to talk about the live option on Instagram is not showing. So you are not alone, I'm also face the same problem. As you know, if you want to go live on Instagram, usually you can just swipe left like this. And then there will be an option here in the bottom beside reel and story, but it's not anymore. So what's the problem here? So turns out there is new rule from Instagram. If you want to go live on Instagram, you need to have at least 1000 followers. You can read this and then the account status, and then you have to make it public account. So if you don't have 1000 followers or your account is private, you can go live on Instagram. So yeah, that's it. If you think this video useful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.